Hello everyone, please welcome to my channel. Today I'm going to share with you Samsung Galaxy Note 10. How we can do the hard reset. I'm going to show you two ways. One is a soft reset, another is hard reset. The soft reset we can do through the phone, and the hard reset I'll show you later. Any photos or any data inside your phone, please back up before you do the hard reset. Let me show you the soft reset, which you can do through the phone. You need to go to your settings and you can scroll up to the setting right here and you click it, or you can scroll down and you press the gear. Once you're in the setting, then you scroll up and you will see general management. So we're going to press general management and then you will see reset. So we're going to press reset, then we'll see factory data reset. We're going to press that and it will give you the confirmation showing that all data will be erased from your phone, including your Google account, system and app data, settings, download apps, music, pictures, service provider, app and content. Press the reset and it will reset it for you. That's the easiest way. And supposingly this function is not working for you, the setting won't allow you to go there because of some corrupted applications or any other reason, then I will show you the hard reset. In order to do that, we're going to turn off the phone. So we're going to power off. Now we're going to turn it on. In order to do that, this is the volume button and this is the power. So we're going to press volume up and the power at the same time, and once vibrate, then you lift your finger and it will go to the Android recovery, and you're going to use up and down volume button. You go down, you scroll down and it says wipe data factory reset. In order to execute that, you need to press power. It gives you in the red letters, wipe all your user data. It will wipe all your user data. This cannot be undone. All data on this device will be erased. So we're going to press factory data reset. Once we select that, then we're going to press the power button again and it will start erasing. And as you see, it says data wipe complete. Now it's on a reboot system now. We're going to press power button again and it will reboot. That's how it's easy and simple you can do the hard reset on your Samsung Galaxy Note 10. If you found this video to be helpful, like always, share, like, subscribe to my channel. Thank you and have a good day. Bye-bye. So we'll take some time. It's initializing. So now it's on a welcome screen, and as for the video purposes, I'm going to skip through. And that's how it's easy and simple. You can hard reset your phone and now your phone is back to the original factory setting as you have received the phone first time in a box. So that's it. Any photos or any data inside your phone, please back up before you do the hard reset.